Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. And today I'm really excited to talk about my experience with the DJI Spark drone. First time using a real drone. I've used some of the less expensive ones. I did reviews, really hard to control, and it was very frustrating. So cool. I've wanted to consider buying a drone, and before buying a drone, thought, man, I wish I had an opportunity to try one. So what's really cool is I've had the opportunity now with another product to try my favorite gadget before I actually now want to decide, should I buy a drone? And it is with a company called Expese. I will put a link where you can get more information about Expese and also a promotional code for the first month. It might be a free month. It might be a discount, so be sure to click on the link, and I'll also put the latest promotion. So Expese actually hit today their 1-year anniversary, so very cool. Now, Expese is not for everybody. Expese is for those that are really into their gadgets. Like, I love gadgets. I want to try them, decide, do I want to buy it, or just get to experience and share it with people like you about what it's like. So it's very cool. So you'll compile a list of your favorite brand name products, and then depending upon what they have in inventory, then they'll send it to you, and they're great to communicate with. Now, you may not be the first person that gets that item, but you will be able to see, and I'll put that information, I'll show you that in a minute. You can even buy it at a discount. So cool. Now, unfortunately, or fortunately, I was able to shoot some great videos and photos with the DJI Spark. Really amazing quality. Unfortunately, being a new user and not probably user error, it crashed on me and the arm broke. So, but luckily I was able to capture some footage and stuff before then. But before I talk more about the DJI drone, let me show you as well how the packaging came. So this is the packaging. You can see it's well done, well protected, and you've got the manuals in here. So you get the box. They also send it to you where they pay for the shipping. And then you have your frequent asked questions. You can pay for it if you want to keep it for a monthly fee. In this case, the retail is $399. I could buy it at $300, so I'll get it at 25% discount. What the warranty would be on it, frequent asked questions. You get your return address label for UPS, and then the checklist when it's due back. So very cool. Again, you compile your list, and as they have those items in there, they will send it to you. So I just wanted to make sure you were aware of Expese, because Expese is the reason that I got to try the very cool DJI Spark. Now, before we go into talk about the Spark and show you some cool features that I was able to capture before the drone crashed, a few things to think about. And even if you are an existing drone user, one, call your insurance company and just make sure you have coverage, because there is a possibility you might lose control of the drone. It might crash into a house, it might hit somebody, whatever it might be. You want to make sure you're protected. And so I'm glad I did, and I even talked to the insurance company. She said not every insurance provider even offers drone protection. Drones are becoming very popular, so you want to make sure to protect yourself. Also, there's a drone app out there. It will tell you in your area if you can fly or there's restrictions. I'll put a link to that app, so I'll add that for you as well. Now let's talk a little bit about the Spark. Just a few highlights. It has a 12 megapixel camera for photos, 1080p full HD videos and aerial selfies, and it can go up to 31 miles per hour, and it says here 16 minutes of flight time. Now, again, this drone got me about 12 minutes of flight time. It goes quick, and even when it's not being used, if you might be, I don't know, just waiting for you to connect to the app, which actually I want to make sure to share that with you about the app here in a second. The battery can go quick, so you want to make sure that you have additional batteries. So as well, let me see if there's anything else. There's actually a number of other details of information, and I will put that in the description. And when you click on the link and you read reviews, you can get a lot of that description. Here, I wanted to just share with you more about my experience and show you some photos and videos. One of the other things, it does say it gets up to 1.2 miles of control range, where you can edit and share with the DJI Go app. Now, glad we're getting now to the app. So, I have an Android phone. That's my personal phone. I do have an iPad mini, and I have a work iPhone. So my primary phone is my Android phone, which I am shooting this video with, the Google Pixel 2 XL. But in general, the Android app has a lot of issues with the DJI drone. Talking to my friend who is a drone user who also has tried the Android app. And if you are going to get the DJI drone and you're going to get the Spark, just keep in mind you're going to have problems if you don't have one of the iPhones or if you have an iPad mini. I was even out there and I was hoping to use the Android app and I could not get it to connect. So a lot of times it's hit or miss or not even connect at all. With the iPhone, I was able to go right in and it worked perfectly. So do keep that in mind. And it's got some really cool features. It's got some gestures. It's got where it follows you, and you'll see some of that with the videos and photos to follow. And just truly amazing. You get a whole nother perspective when you use the drone. I also find if you're going to invest in a drone and you're new, the Spark may be a really great way to go because it's affordable. And it generally it does control well, as I was trying the home feature. And, if you're in an open field and you want to make sure really you're in line of sight, you may not even need to use the home feature. However, there are precautions that, if somehow, it is further out and there's a communication issue as far as the app, I think there's some capabilities and safety features having that home capability. So you're going to want to make sure to program the app and calibrate the drone so it communicates and can make it back safely and fly properly. So a lot involved. So when you get it, take your time, learn about how to set everything up properly. Although when I got it, I just took it out of the packaging and I started flying, and I still did pretty well with it. But I was wanting to do for the video to experiment with it with a home feature and some other capabilities. And unfortunately, it crashed and the wing broke. But here you go. Here are, sit back, relax, enjoy the photos. I'll first show you the photos, and then I will go into the different videos of some of the things that I was able to do with it. And there's so much more that I wish I could have shown you, but unfortunately, the drone no longer, I can turn it on, but it won't fly. And so I think I have a pretty good enough amount of videos and photos to share with you so you can get an idea of what this can do. All right, everybody, let me know if you have any questions. And again, learn more about Expese. Go to expese.com. I'll put the code link where you can get a promotion on your first month, and definitely take advantage of this fantastic service. If you are into gadgets like I am, you will absolutely love Expese. All right, everybody, enjoy the photos and videos. Thanks for watching. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the active track on, and we'll create a box over me. I have to move back. There we go. Now I'm going to click go, and now it is following me. So I'm going to put the phone down. You can see it is following me around. And if I move forward, it's following right behind me. I'm going to turn around, and now it's going to back up. How cool is this tracking? Now, I think I should have enough clearance. We'll give this a shot. Let's see if it comes over more this way. And now it can do a 360-degree track. So I think if I go like this, it's going to go around me in a full circle. Let's see if it goes fully around me. Get to my little bald spot. There we go. How cool is this? It's gonna go circle around me, and I can even. All right, I am going to have it follow me again. Draw a box around me. Click go, and now I am gonna walk. And you could change the degree of angle that you want it to follow. So if you want it to go partially around you, you can, and then as it follows you, it should follow me.